Hello beautiful souls, thank you so much for watching the Kriya. This is Dhanushree and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. I'd be really happy if you do so. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about manifestation, and as you read the title, you know there's something that came true, and it's about my dream collab that I recently got, and I really wanted to come here and talk to you about how manifestations happen and how I've made them work. So back in April or April, May, I made this vision board for 2022, and I know it's super late to make a vision board in the month of April or March, but it's never too late to start. And then I started working towards the goal. Visuals work really well, and that is why having a visual every single day, looking at it, is very important. I have this whole vision board that I've made out of Canva, and I use it on my phone because phone is something that I use 24/7. So I keep on looking at it all the damn time when I'm on my home screen or when I open up my phone. So I have just made that vision board as my wallpaper. I'll upload it somewhere here so you can have a reference and see how I added different things and different aspects that I wanted in life. So Paradyes was one of them, and by that time I've used them, and I really liked the brand, and I really wanted to work with them, so I put it up there. So for me, working for a brand that you like, that I personally like, it's a huge deal for me, is the one that I just recently made. Video of this one is in the description bar below. Make sure you check it out. I'll also plug it here somewhere above my head. Second of all are the affirmations that, you know, I am working with the brand. I am actually working towards the Paradyes collaboration. It's like I'm living in that part, okay? It's literally feeling exactly how you would feel while whilst it's happening to you, right? The last video that I uploaded of Paradyes, I made sure that it's like my collab thing, and I'm actually working on it, and that's how I made the whole environment around me, and I started living as if it's actually happening, okay? And they approached me saying that they would like to collaborate, and it was a dream come true. It was like literally my manifestation coming true. Make sure you do all these things only when you're in a good mood. Do not do it when you're sad or you're not feeling okay. Just do it when you're happy, and just let the universe do its magic. So for me, I just put it out in the universe that it is going to happen, and there are obviously certain things that don't work out on the same time you want them to be. So back in the time when I was not hitting 1K subscribers, because I wanted to monetize my channel, hasn't been monetized yet, but I wanted to hit 1K. And back then it was like almost 2 years, and I was like, it's not happening and all those negative things. But then I decided, you know, I'm going to put up more videos and it's going to happen. And then suddenly out of nowhere, I was just, you know, hoping, and I was just putting it down in the universe that it's going to happen by this November, and I kept on saying it, and then November went by, but it didn't happen. So I switched it to, it is going to happen this year. And I was just every day wake up in the morning, have a good mood, or when I'm drinking my coffee or tea, whatever, I used to just put it out in the universe, it's happening. And back then I put up a video of makeup shots, and it went viral for me because it crossed around lakh views, okay? And I suddenly out of nowhere went from 600 to 700 to 1K plus subscribers. So it was like a huge hit, and it happened all of a sudden. If I would have given up by the time it was November end, and I would have just, you know, okay, it's not going to work, just let it go. No, I just went ahead and just changed a little thing, and I just said, kids, no, you know, if it didn't work out in November, it's going to work out before this year end. And it happened, and I think on 7th or 8th December, I hit 1K that moment, okay? Before that, I didn't believe, but from that moment, I started believing it and started working towards it. And today here we are with the Paradyes collaboration, and oh my god, it feels so surreal just saying out that words out loud. So for me, visuals work, affirmations work, and actually feeling how I would feel at that moment. So these are the three things that work for me. There are tons of different ways to, you know, make your manifestations true, but this has worked out for me. So I'm just going to add the clip of the unboxing that I did when I got all the products and all the things that I got. I'm also going to do a bleach thing and a hair color, and maybe later on about the hair care range. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned, and yeah, do let me know if this manifestation tips or this thing works out for you. I would be really happy. I did receive a package from Birds of Paradise, so it's a huge box, and I'm supposed to shoot a collaboration video with them. It has been on my vision board ever since I started using their products and all those things. So just unbox it and see what they've sent. I'm just gonna start up and open. I sort of know what they've sent, but at the same time, I've not opened the box yet. So let's see what they've sent. See, I broke the box. Really excited. Okay, the packaging is done really well. First thing I see here is the color. This is the color of my choice. Obviously, they asked me to pick one color, and this is the color that I picked. Oh, this looks pretty. Look at the box. It is so gorgeous. It's the shade Ruby Wine. This is how it will look on the hair. And let's just open and see the color. This is also well packaged. And oh my gosh, this is such a pretty color. I really need to go really light to have this color. Look at it. So gorgeous. It's a reddish tone with some wine hints to it. It's like a wine shade. Next up, I have this huge kit. I think this is their color range color care kit. Yeah, so it has a shampoo and a conditioner. I'm just really bad at opening packages, but this is how it looks. Oh, the packaging is really nice. I don't know if you can see. Yes. It is quinoa and flax protein color care shampoo. This is how the tube looks like. It is super cute. Then next up we have is their quinoa and flax protein color care conditioner. This is how it looks like. So I'm supposed to open it from the other side because apparently ये ऐसा है and I cannot open it further. So I'm just going to roll it over. Nice. There are two packages. So the one is of course the bleach pack. Oh wow, I already have the brush. It's a 30 volume creme developer, which is 9%. And this is the Lighten Up Bleach Pack Blonder Powder. And the other one is Color Care Hair Butter. Okay, so this is a huge tub. This is how it looks. This is the box packaging. And here aisa aata hai. It's a 200-gram product. And okay, so you're supposed to use this after you color your hair. And you just have to put it on your damp hair. So once you rinse off the color, apply this, leave it for 15 minutes. Then use the shampoo and then the conditioner. So this is the procedure. I'm going to talk to you and take you through the whole thing where we see how everything works, and I'm going to give a review to all these products. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.